To that yesterday when it
You
went
did?
down.
All right, I'm recording. What's up, everybody? What's up, Jackie?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. You bought some of this yesterday, Paul, Ethereum?
Yeah, because I've been using like a Fibonacci retracement to see like the pullbacks, how big they are, and it was pretty good on Ethereum. So
yeah, I was looking at this yesterday right here. It's at the zone. It came down here.
Yeah, I bought it right there, like when I hit that.
Nice, man. Yeah, I was looking at that, but they have went up and then shot back down, or at least Bitcoin didn't shoot back down. Let's take a look. Who knows what's going to happen here? Same old story here. It's caught up this trend. The dollar index is kind of struggling. Start up at the top. I hadn't really got into much. I got into gold, and gold had went up. I actually got position on Eurod. Let's see. From this distance, it hit the first take profit, but it looks like it's pulled back. I mean, it's pulled back to this zone right here. Waiting to see if it's going to get rejected and go up, or it's just been kind of consolidating. Geez, what's happening to my RSI down here? What's up, Jackie? You in any trades?
Kind of. I feel like it's so difficult right now to trade. So
Hey, no, you're right.
I feel like I'm gonna have to just stay away for the next, I don't know, week or so.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of people are sitting this out. This is like the choppiest weather that's ever been for trading.
Well, I was actually in Euro odd, and then it took a dive, like, but whatever. I mean,
Holy cow, what is this thing? How do I get it out of here? All right, we're just gonna roll without the RSI right now. I don't even know what this is. What is this?
oh, sometimes that ends up on my trading view too.
Okay, we'll just roll without the RSI. Anyway, so I'm kind of looking at this one still. I hadn't got a chance to look at everything yet this morning. Yeah, everything has just been kind of I guess we were looking at this like as a head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, breach, retest. Here's the retest. If we bring it down like that, see how it hits that just perfect like that. Retest, drop. It looks like a double toss, but really it's the head and shoulders too right here. It's coming down good. Been kind of looking at this one too. Be looking for I'll be looking for engulfing to come up right here. If it does, I'll enter this one. If I can see, if I can have my RSI out here, let's try it again. It's blank. It doesn't help much.
Maybe it's like zoomed right out or something, or
I don't
zoomed in.
know. Um, I'll be looking for well, just I'll roll without it, you know, until I get that fixed. But anyway, so I'll be looking for engulfing to come up. I'd like to see something come up with some pretty good volume right here. I've been kind of watching this one. I had an alert on it. It said the alert off. This could be a head and shoulder, so I'm kind of watching out for that. I mean, it actually is, but you can see it's done a head and shoulders right here too. It's done it right here too. Head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. This is a bigger one. Shoulder, head, shoulder. We'll see what happens. Keep an eye on it. Something just seems funny about my screen this morning. This one was waiting for, I was waiting for this one to come back up here and get past this top before re-entering it. But it hasn't done anything. We just got a bunch of consolidation, basically, I think, since yesterday. For the most part, I hadn't seen a lot of big moves. This election and virus stuff is really nasty for trading. But I'll be glad when it's all done. When you don't have the RSI up, it kind of cause I like to be able to see that divergence. You know what I mean? I have to get that fixed.
Maybe try refreshing, like TradingView.
What is it?
Maybe try refreshing TradingView. It'll ask you if you want to leave or, oh, maybe not.
Hey, there we go. Back in business. Work, man. Appreciate you.
Oh,
Where are we at? Look at this. You in anything right now, Paul?
Tesla.
No.
No, Tesla.
Oh, Tesla. Okay. Yeah. I was looking at this yesterday. It's head and shoulders on USD JPY. I was looking at it. You know, it completed the pattern here. But the risk to reward wasn't that great. So I kind of just stayed out of it.
Yeah, I've seen a bunch of stuff too, but it just wasn't anything more than a 1-to-1 really that I was seeing. So I just kind of stayed out.
Yeah, same here, man. Not seeing anything that's just like really, really attractive so far. I think a lot of it has to do with I mean, things hadn't been moving too much, but everyone's kind of maybe afraid to trade. I don't know. Market's really not moving that much, but it's still kind of early. This one has some potential, I think, against the US dollar. I could see this going up. It lines up right with the bottom of this. And the top's here, right here. I could see this going up. Dollar's been struggling. Something like that. We got rejection, retest, engulfing right here. Divergence, support zone, trend line. Let's see. Where'd we go? We're over here. All right. This is our GBP CHF. This is from yesterday. This was a, like a 1-to-1 scenario. It didn't look like the best, but it's been in that range. We were waiting for this one to break this top right here, but the dollar just doesn't have it in it, I don't think. So it's kind of just bounced off it, coming back down. Just being cautious still with these USD pairs, buying USD pairs, because it's been really, this is an active one. It's been really wishy-washy with the dollar. Yeah, that Tesla finally set up nice, didn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I was seeing it.
I think I got in a little bit early though. But
I seen it hit that buy zone right there, and actually, this is one of the trades we put in from yesterday. It's gone back up to this trend. We'll see what happens. I knew that the dollar. This is another one of those instances where it's like, well, this matched up with price action and stuff, but I'm going more off price action, trying to ignore what's going on behind the scenes, because it's been working more than trying to guess and use fundamental stuff. But the dollar's weakening, so it's kind of shot back up here. We'll see what continues to happen with this one. But all the indicators and everything lined up, so I'm just setting them up and letting them go. You know what I mean? Still just really cautious with the dollar. that GBP USD, the Great Britain pound, has been really strong for some reason. I don't see why we would have any problem seeing that one go up with all the indicators in line. Looks like you got a little double tops right here, and this resistance. Don't really have any divergence or anything, so I'd have to stay out of it personally. This is one we were waiting to breach. It did breach. We had a double bottom right here in the support. One bottom, two bottoms. And we had divergence down here. It breached. I've been waiting on some of these to breach. You can see this right here. This part's a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulders. If you take a line, boom. So it breached here, hit first TP. This one, and this is why I didn't enter this one yet, because I'm waiting to get more of a full pattern before entering these things now, because everything's just being the way they are. Normally would have got in on the engulfing on the retest on this, and we got it. Where was it? I think right here. We got it. Like, I'm not gonna trust it until it breaks this zone, and it's turning back around this way. We'll see what happens with it. Still kind of keep an eye on it. This one really hasn't moved much since yesterday. Head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulders. I think we're looking for this one to come down, but again, just consolidation, more consolidation. Let's get down to these stocks. I want to look at that Tesla too. Gold. I think there was another one that was set up. Yeah, Microsoft was getting in a buy zone. It's at a trend anyways. Just looking for price action confirmation. His arrows like this. Looking for something like that. You see rejection. Looking for a retest. Boom, boom, boom. Something like that. So these stocks don't always, you can see it did it right here. Test. This one's barely came down and shot up. I've jumped in them. I've jumped in them too, just when they come to the trend and I see a sign of rejection like this. The Tesla, let's see on the 1 hour. It's got all the stuff ready to go. Got a nice trend. And really with this one, it didn't it didn't double test here or there, but it actually gave us a double test in the zone at the trend with some engulfing action here. So I was actually probably going to jump into this one myself. Stocks took a spill. Gold had went up. It hit the TP, bounced back down. It could be forming a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulders over here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if gold went up. Not a lot of people know what to do with their money, I don't think, in the market. Gold's like one of those last ditch efforts, like, I'm going to put my money in gold. Screw it. Can't trust anything else. A dollar sinking. Dollar's going down. You have this leveraged out, Paul, or you just bought straight out shares of this?
No, I just straight bought some. Yeah, because I'm thinking Ethereum 2.0 is going to be launched soon. That's what the rumors are.
Yeah.
So as soon as they announce it, it's going to shoot up for sure.
Right. No, I agree.
It might go back down after they actually launch it.
I don't know,
but
you would think it would go up and continue to go up. You know what I mean? It sounds like a pretty solid step forward, you know.
It's got way more room to grow than Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin has shot up a little bit more. We got this right here. But it is shooting up. X-Ripple USD. It kind of looks like it's in the same, or not the same, but in a pretty decent buying place. Who knows what's going to happen with the dollar? It's looking like less and less of a chance that there's going to be a stimulus passed before the election. So unless a miracle happens, that's why I was thinking that, you know, gold might be a good option. Might see that. Probably there's a good chance we could see that NZD USD crash out. I'm staying away from SPX and the NASDAQ until we get word. But I think that's it, you guys. Y'all got anything you wanted to check out? I don't know how to do this thing. Anyway, so let's go larger back up. But that's all I'm seeing right now. But I'm gonna be at the desk looking at charts today. You know, so as I see stuff popping off, if we start to see some movement and everything, I'll put some signals out there. As far as like what I'm seeing, y'all need anything or got any questions or anything like that, or want to holler, just hit me up. But we will holler at y'all later. Here we go. All right, you
All
guys.
right, have a good one, man.
All right, thanks, Paul. You too, dude. See ya.